Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we are going to do a Pharmaceutics Rapid Fire MCQ challenge. Try to answer before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Which dosage form is designed to release the drug slowly over a long period of time? A. Immediate release tablets. B. Sustained release tablets. C. Effervescent tablets. D. Chewable tablets. Correct answer, B. Sustained release tablets. Explanation. Sustained release formulations are designed to release the drug gradually over an extended period. This helps to maintain constant drug concentration in blood, reduce dosing frequency, improve patient compliance. Question 2. Which excipient is commonly used as a binder in tablet formulation? A. Lactose. B. Starch paste. C. Talc. D. Magnesium stearate. Correct answer, B. Starch paste. Explanation. Binders help hold the powder particles together during tablet formation. Common binders include starch paste, PVP, gelatin. Question 3. Which equipment is used to reduce particle size in pharmaceutics? A. Autoclave. B. Mortar and pestle. C. Laminar airflow. D. Dissolution apparatus. Correct answer, B. Mortar and pestle. Explanation. Mortar and pestle are commonly used for trituration, which means grinding powder to reduce particle size. This improves mixing, uniformity, drug dissolution. Question 4. Which dosage form is sterile and intended for injection? A. Suspension. B. Injection. C. Syrup. D. Emulsion. Correct answer, B. Injection. Explanation. Injectable preparations must be sterile, pyrogen-free, particle-free. They are administered directly into the body, so strict sterility is essential. Question 5. Which of the following is used as a lubricant in tablet manufacturing? A. Talc. B. Magnesium stearate. C. Lactose. D. Acacia. Correct answer, B. Magnesium stearate. Explanation. Lubricants reduce friction between the tablet and the dye wall during compression. Magnesium stearate is the most commonly used lubricant in tablet formulations. Question 6. Which test is used to evaluate the mechanical strength of tablets? A. Disintegration test. B. Hardness test. C. Dissolution test. D. Weight variation test. Correct answer, B. Hardness test. Explanation. Tablet hardness measures how strong the tablet is and whether it can withstand handling, packaging, and transport. Question 7. Which dosage form is a two-phase liquid system consisting of oil and water? A. Solution. B. Suspension. C. Emulsion. D. Syrup. Correct answer, C. Emulsion. Explanation. An emulsion contains two immiscible liquids, usually oil and water, stabilized by an emulsifying agent. Examples include oil in water OW, water in oil WO. Emulsions are widely used in pharmaceutical and cosmetic formulations. So how many questions did you get right? Comment your score below. If you want more rapid fire pharmacy MCQs, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy learning.